Hey, my people. You are welcome back to another video tutorial. Are you a content creator or you are an online marketer? Or peradventure you are selling some stuff online and you don't know how to link your line with your friends, with your colleagues, or even any of your relation? Then, if that should be the case, you are very lucky. In today's video, I'm going to give you a very short, precise video tutorial that is going to lead you to do this thing. But before then, let me introduce myself. My name is Julius, and on this platform, I do come back to come and tell my fans any of the platform that is working for me. So, peradventure you are watching me for the first time. I'm a affiliate marketer as well as a CPA marketer and a content creator and a YouTuber. So, if you are seeing me for the first time, what I will want you to do right now that is not going to cost you any damn, just subscribe and click the notification bell so that whenever any new video of this kind is released, you'll be the first person to be notified. And I want to appreciate my returning fans. I love you. I greet you all for being there for me. Please continue to be there with me. So without wasting much of your time, like I said, I want to give you a short, very precise video on how to do a WhatsApp add up links. It's free. So just be with me from the beginning to the end. Never you skip this video so that you won't be able to miss any of the step. So let's dive into today's video. Now, the first thing you need to do right now, you need to get a notepad or open your notebook. So once you've done that, what we need to do right now, since I'm not using a notepad or notebook, I'm using my laptop now. What I will need to do right now, we need to do, just follow me now. The first thing now you need to do right now, you write a capital W. Then once you write that capital W, you put a small a beside it. Once you do that one, put full stop. Once you have done putting that full stop, you need to put me. Then once you have done that one, the next thing now you put a E. After you have done that one, the next thing now you need to do on your phone or on your laptop, you click on a slash. This slash now, what is going to follow it now, you need to follow by your country code. And this time around, you are not going to put plus there. You know, most time when you want to put your code, your country code, you normally put a plus so or so whatever. So for the purpose of this video, I want to use the code for Nigeria. So I'm going to put a 234. And once you put that 234, the next thing that is going to follow now is going to follow by your number. This is your number now. You are not going to put any zero. Let me use one of my numbers here. So this is 9. Instead of putting 090, I'm going to put 9, 0, 26, 46, then 83, then 88. Once you have done this, you just need to copy this number now. Just copy it now. Once you have copied, the next thing now you need to do, you now open another search bar on your Chrome, on your Safari, or on your Opera or whatever, any of the system you are using. So let me open my new search bar on Chrome now. I open this one. Once I open it now, I need to put it, what I've already copied now, I need to put it here. Once I put it there now, I need to put it there. Then I click enter. Once I click enter now, let's see how the miracle is going to happen. Just wait. Just wait. The system is just, the network is a little bit down. So just allow the thing to finish rolling now. Just 5 minutes or something of that nature. I want it to open so that you'll be able to see it yourself. So you can see now. You can now see now that this thing has already opened now. If you see it right now, You are going to see by your left hand side your WhatsApp. You are going to see features, privacy, health center, apps and block, business for businesses, app, and download. Then it's now say this is my number now. You can now see that he has putting plus by itself. So you don't need to put plus there. So you can now see that it say open app or continue with WhatsApp web. So what you now need to do, right? You need to click continue with the WhatsApp web. So you click on this. When you click on this, it's going to open. Just allow it to open. Let's allow it to open. See what will happen. It's going to open by itself. So let's allow it to open. I will right back. I think you guys are seeing it now that it's coming up. The network is a little bit bad. And that's why it's behaving like that. The thing is going to it's going to load up to 100% here. So you can see, I don't just want to skip. That's why I told you that don't skip this video. Can you now see now? You can now see that the thing has just come up now. See the way it come up now. Now you see the way the thing come up? You can see now it has come up. So what you now need to do right now is already telling me that this is my WhatsApp. So let me rub down. So here now I can now write message here. That's what it's telling me. So I can now write message here. For instance, now if I want to, this is showing me in my profile. So I can write message here. Let's say I, or I say hello. So if I click enter now, you are going to see that. You can now you see that message now that this is not my message here right now. So that is how to do this thing. So once you have done this one, the next thing now is for us to edit what we have already written in the other time. Why are you editing? You want to put the content you want your friends or your relation to be helping you to sell. I told you that for guys, for your relation to get that your content now, the initial message you write, you need to re-edit it. For you to re-edit this thing, we need to move this one down. If we are moving it down now, what we now need to do right now, we need to put on what we are selling here. So I want to say hello now. Let me put it here. Hello. I am Segbe Sarah Ventures Venture a YouTuber. Then down I boast social media and I do edit videos as well. Now, once you have done this, I boost. What you now need to do right now is just to copy this thing. So we move this down. Let's move this down. Full stop. Then let's move this one a little bit up. You rewrite this one. So when you have done that one, the next thing you need to do now, let's rewrite this one. I do. Let's copy this video one. And that's video. Then the next thing you need to do now, you just need to copy this O. When you copy this O thing now, Then what you now need to do now, you need to come back here. When you come back here, you now need to put it here. You put it, the message here. You put the message here. Put the message here. Then you put the message here. Then you put it, you enter. Once you have done that one, the next thing you now need to do right now, you click enter. Once you click enter, you can see this is your message here right now. This is not the message here. And once somebody have just seen this name, what is now need to do right now is just to click on this, your WhatsApp number here. And immediately you click on that one WhatsApp number here. Whatever is sent is going to come to your DM. So that's just the simple process of linking your WhatsApp to your other person for free. So I told you initially that it's a very simple something. So you can now see that to add up your links on your WhatsApp so that your relation will continue to help you to sell your market. It's very simple. And now I want to believe that you guys have enjoyed this video. And peradventure, you are watching me for the first time once again. What I want you to do right now, just subscribe to this channel. Click the notification bell so that whenever any new video of this kind is released, you'll be the first person to be notified. So on this note, I want to bring this video to an end. And I want to believe you have enjoyed this video. And peradventure, any of your friends is looking for this skin, just share your video. Let your friend make a comment so that we are going to see any other area that needs adjustment. I love you, and I see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.